Twinkling Lights and Holiday Nights, A Christmas Love Story. The first flurries of snow began to drift down over the quaint town of Evergreen Hollow, dusting the rooftops and street lamps with a sugary coating. Each year, the town transformed into a sparkling wonderland for the holiday season, and this year was no exception. Residents eagerly strung glimmering lights across their homes and businesses, setting the stage for the annual winter festival. Among the townsfolk was Clara Merriweather, a spirited woman in her 30s with a passion for twinkling lights and hot cocoa. Clara owned the local bakery, Sugar and Spice, where the sweet aroma of baked goods wafted through the air. She had her fair share of dreams, but finding love hadn't been part of the plan. Every year, she poured herself into her bakery, helping others celebrate the magic of the season while secretly longing for someone to share it with. As Clara prepared for the festival, she noticed a new face in town. Peter Thompson had recently moved back to Evergreen Hollow after years in the city. A tall man in his late 30s, with a kind smile and a love for adventure, Peter was looking to start fresh. He quickly became enamored with the town's charm, but more so with the enchanting bakery at the corner of Maple and Pine. One chilly afternoon, Clara was busy crafting her holiday special, peppermint mocha cupcakes, when she felt a sudden rush of cold air as the door flung open. A tall figure stepped inside, shaking off the snow from his coat. Clara looked up, startled, and met Peter's warm gaze. "Hello. I'm new here and heard rumors about your cupcakes," he said, his voice rich and inviting. "I couldn't resist the temptation. Welcome to Sugar and Spice." Clara replied, her cheeks flush with a mix of chill and excitement. "Would you like to try one?" As he tasted the cupcake, a sparkle lit up his eyes. "This is amazing. You have a real talent." A gentle smile tugged at Clara's lips. They fell into easy conversation, sharing laughter and stories of their past, drawn together by the warmth of each other's company. They talked about Christmas traditions, their favorite holiday songs, and the unique quirks of Evergreen Hollow. As the days rolled by, Peter became a regular visitor at the bakery. He often helped Clara decorate her shop with sparkling garlands and twinkling lights. Together, they created a cozy nook filled with holiday cheer, where customers could enjoy festive treats by a crackling fireplace. The winter festival approached, and on the night of the main event, the town buzzed with excitement. Families gathered to witness the lighting of the giant Christmas tree in the town square. Clara's heart fluttered with nerves as her bakery was chosen to provide desserts for the festivities. Underneath the glittering lights of the tree, Clara found Peter standing with a group of friends, his eyes dancing with joy. As she approached, he took her hand, squeezing it gently. "Are you ready to show everyone what you've created?" he asked with a smile. Clara nodded, her heart racing. Together, they displayed peppermint cupcakes, gingerbread cookies, and spiced cider on the long tables lined with twinkling candles. The sweet treats quickly caught the attention of the crowd, and laughter rang through the air as friends and families embraced the spirit of the season. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting shades of pink and gold across the sky, Clara felt a chill, and not just from the winter air. The town mayor stepped up to initiate the lighting ceremony, and the anticipation built around them. With the countdown echoing through the square, Clara looked at Peter beside her. In that moment, surrounded by the laughter of children and the warm glow of holiday lights, her heart swelled with a feeling she had long yearned for. 3, 2, 1. The crowd erupted in cheers as the lights flickered to life, illuminating the snow-dusted branches and the faces of those gathered. In the midst of the spectacle, Peter leaned down and whispered, "I'm so glad I found you here, Clara." With a surge of courage, Clara turned to him, her heart racing. "And I'm so glad you came back to Evergreen Hollow." As the last rays of daylight faded, Peter took her hand in his, tucking a stray strand of hair behind her ear. "Would you like to see the lights again sometime? Just the two of us?" Clara beamed, her heart fluttering in delight. "I'd love that." And so, under the twinkling lights and holiday nights, a Christmas love story blossomed between two souls who found joy in the magic of the season and in each other. As their laughter mingled with the crisp winter air, they both knew this was just the beginning of a beautiful adventure together, a love story wrapped in the warmth of holiday spirit. Hit the subscribe button if you liked my story.